Welcome to the Continental Refrigerator service video page. Today we will be talking about how to clean your condenser coil. Start by turning off the unit and disconnecting the power. Then locate the coils. The coil can be located in the back, front, or side of the unit. For uprights, the condenser coil is on top, requiring a stepladder to access them. First, carefully remove any access panels. Use a coil brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove dust and debris. Always brush in the direction of the fins, top to bottom, to avoid damage. Never brush side to side. For stubborn grease, consider using a mild detergent or coil cleaner. You can also clean the coils using a vacuum cleaner with a condenser coil brush attachment or a specialized refrigerator coil brush to remove the dust and debris. Finally, reassemble the unit, reconnect power, and resume normal operation. For any additional questions, visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com or call our service department at 800-523-7138.